प्रैक्टिस सेट। इस सेट में क्वेश्चन 1 से क्वेश्चन 4 तक आंसर्स नहीं दिए गए हैं। कृपया पाठकगण इन्हें स्वयं करने की कोशिश करें। क्वेश्चन 1, चेंज द सेंटेंसेस इनटू पैसिव वॉइस। A. Simple present tense. Number 1, he helps the poor. 2, I know her. 3, Veena does not sing a song. 4, who teaches you physics? 5, we expect good news. 6, everyone does his work. 7, what do you want? 8, my father sends him 500 rupees every month. 9, your shopkeeper sells a special kind of coffee. 10, the rich hate the poor. 11, I don't know the reason of his admission. 12, does he help his wife? 13, the teacher teaches you English. 14, the pot contains ink. 15, my elder brother manages the house. 16, the farmer grows wheat in his field. 17, do all the students bring their books? 18, the police looks into the case. 19, what does she do? 20, why do you not finish your homework? 21, the postman delivers the letters. 22, the boys play cricket. 23, he does not make a noise. 24, why do you not help me? 25, does the gardener water the plants? A. Simple present tense completed. B. Present continuous tense. 26, Veena is cooking the dinner. 27, the girls are learning their lessons. 28, the students are writing letters to their parents. 29, she is telling a lie. 30, the gardener is plucking flowers. 31, Mukesh is driving a motor car. 32, the children are flying kites. 33, is Mr. Prasad reading the Ramayana? 34, why are you wasting your time? 35, that mechanic is repairing the car. 36, the workers are cutting down the trees. 37, are these people beating the ball? 38, the tailor is sewing the clothes. 39, who is sending you these things? 40, is the mason building the apartment? 41, this man is speaking the truth. 42, who is laughing at the beggar? 43, the milkman is milking the buffalo. 44, the farmer is not ploughing the field. 45, what is Veena doing? 46, the peon is ringing the bell. 47, why is she cooking the food? 48, how is he solving the sums? 49, they are picking some flowers. 50, we are solving the problems. B. Present continuous tense completed. C. Present perfect tense. 51, he has read the Upanishad. 52, the servant has done his duty. 53, someone has stolen her goat. 54, Bhavna has broken this glass. 55, have you ever seen a tiger? 56, why has Binay not completed his work? 57, who has stolen her purse? 58, these boys have eaten all the mangoes. 59, has he written this book? 60, she has lent me 20 rupees. 61, they have spent all the money. 62, have you taken your meal? 63, he has not informed his parents yet. 64, how has he done it? 65, why was the man sent for the doctor? 66, I have invited him to the party. 67, you have not read the Gita. 68, the mad dog has bitten this man. 69, have you not answered all the questions? 70, Mr. Jha has sold the house. 71, Australia has won the TVS Cup. 72, the maid servant has already washed the plates. 73, the terrorists have exploded the bomb. 74, the magistrate has sent him to jail. 75, they have invited me to the party. C. Present perfect tense completed. D. Simple past tense. 76, he stole her purse. 77, Sudhirji employed 10 men. 78. He did not aim at the hare. Hare. 79. Did she tell a lie? 80. Did he not make a noise? 81. He replied to all the questions. 82. We refused them admission. 83. The judge forgave the criminal for his fault. 84. She watched TV. 85. Rahul painted this picture. 86. Neelu knitted the sweater. 87. Who taught you mathematics? 88. Where did he buy this chair? 89. Why did the court punish him? 90. The dentist pulled out the 2 teeth of my mother. 91. The shopkeeper gave me 2 kilos of sugar. 92. My uncle taught English in high school Jajuar. 93. I refused his admission. 94. Did he sweep the rooms? 95. Did he sweep the rooms? 95. The fisherman caught the fishes. 96. I gave him a book. 97. My grandmother told me a story. 98. His father paid the school fees. 99. Radha loved Krishna. 100. The servant watered the flowering plants. D. Simple past tense completed. E. Past continuous tense. 101. The children were flying the kites. 102. The hunter was shooting the tiger. 103. The milkman was milking the cow. 104. The boys were learning their lessons. 105. The peon was ringing the bell. 106. Were they doing their homework? 107. Why were they writing the letters? 108. He was knocking at the door. 109. What was he doing? Page 217. 110. The children were making a noise. 111. The mechanics were repairing the car. 112. The principal was giving away the prizes. 113. She was drawing a beautiful picture. 114. Who was beating my daughter? 115. Were they throwing stones at the beggar? 116. Why was the teacher not teaching the students? 117. She was writing a letter to her lover. 118. The girls were playing a football match. 119. He was answering the question. 120. She was teaching him. 121. The doctor was examining the patients. 122. The spectators were watching the match. 123. Was she writing a story? 124. We were expecting good news. 125. His servant was sweeping the house. E. Past continuous tense completed. F. Past perfect tense. 126. The postman had delivered the letters. 127. They had made him chairman. 128. The bankers had already opened the gate. 129. He had never visited Agra before. 130. I had finished my work by 4 p.m. 131. He had already missed the train. 132. The cricketers had played 2 matches by 4 p.m. 133. Who had invited you to the party? 134. Why had you not prepared your lessons? 135. Nobody had done anything. 136. I had taught the students. 137. The boys had eaten the cakes. 138. He had informed me of the accident. 139. They had sold their oxen. 140. Mukesh had broken the glass. 141. Somebody had stolen my handkerchief. 142. The director had warned the students to pay the fees. 143. Nobody had answered the questions. 144. The children had not done their work. 145. We had disturbed him. 146. How had you solved the problem? 147. The SP had arrested the robbers. 148. The father had punished his son. 149. The painter had painted the window. 150. He had made several mistakes. F. Past perfect tense completed. G. Simple future tense. 151. Mr. Thakur will teach the students. 152. He will help me. 153. People will remember Gandhiji. 154. The students will welcome the principal. 155. My younger brother will blame me. 156. No one will do anything against me. 157. The little girls will read the newspaper. 158. Somebody will tease the dog. 159. Everyone will remember him. 160. I shall do this work tomorrow. 161. I shall discuss the matter next day. 162. The doctor will not admit the serious patients. 163. Will you give me some money? 164. Why will you write a letter? 165. Which book will you read tomorrow? 166. Who will do this work? 167. She will do her duty. 168. The little boys will catch the birds. 169. Will you look after her? 170. Veena will meet me at Bishnupur. 171. The police will look into the matter. 172. The principal will not punish him. 173. She will give me a mobile. 174. My father will visit us tomorrow. 175. The farmer will sow the seeds. G. Simple future tense completed. H. Future perfect tense. 176. He will have planted a tree. 177. He will have read the Mahabharata. 178. She will have sold her necklace. 179. Will you have written a letter? 180. The people will have bought some fruits. 181. The police will have caught the terrorists. 182. You will have cleared your account. 183. Mr. Pathak will have met his son. 184. The inspector will have inspected the spot. 185. The terrorist will have destroyed the city. 186. The girls will have plucked the flowers. 187. Why will he have cheated me? 188. How shall I have finished this work? 189. I shall have taught the students by tomorrow morning. 190. The judge will have forgiven the innocent. 191. One will have done one's duty. 192. Shall I have cast my vote in favor of BJP? H. Future perfect tense completed. Question 1 completed. Question 2 miscellaneous. Change the sentences into passive voice. 1. The boy cannot lift this box. 2. We must help the poor. 3. India may win the match. 4. We should love our country. 5. One must do one's duty. 6. The people may have known the truth. 7. You should help your neighbor. 8. I shall have bought a car. 9. One should love one's country. 10. My wife is to buy a scooter. 11. Someone is to help the helpless. 12. He has to do this work. 13. The teacher has to distribute prizes among the students. 14. The postman had to deliver the letters. 15. The doctor was to examine the patients. 16. I was to buy some books. 17. They switched off the light. 18. The criminals cut down the telephone wires. 19. A car ran over a child. 20. I have to do this work. 21. The rich often laugh at the poor. 22. The police charged him with murder. 23. We must take care of my health. 24. Someone has stolen my handkerchief. 25. The editor has to check the manuscript. 26. Her behavior disgusts me. 27. The glass contains milk. 28. The news surprised me. 29. Gardening interests my mother. 30. I cannot please her. 31. I know her. 32. His behavior amused us. 33. His conduct amazed them. 34. Shut the gate. 35. Obey your parents. 36. Never tell a lie. 37. Please bring me a glass of water. Page 218. 38. Let him play the match. 39. Don't starve the ox. 40. Don't hate the poor. 41. Don't laugh at others. 42. Carry out my orders. 43. Please help her in her hour of need. 44. The robbers cut down the telephone wires. 45. The council will discuss the matter. 46. People elected him an MLA. 47. The children recite a poem. 48. Subhash plays the piano. 49. She sings a song. 50. The principal delivered a lecture. 51. Somebody has stolen my notebook. 52. People all over the world know Bapu. 53. Someone has given her a gift. 54. Neelu is flying a kite. 55. The principal refused the students' admittance. 56. Mr. Thakur teaches them English. 57. His mother gave me a birthday present. 58. Your parents gave you a good education. 59. Mr. Khanna presented his daughter a new doll. 60. The gardener has watered the plants. 61. Do it. 62. Let us go for a picnic. 63. Please help me in this bad condition. 64. Is she reading a novel? 65. Where did you find this pen? 66. Binay objected to his proposal. 67. People called Pandit Nehru Chacha. 68. It is time to take breakfast. 69. Mr. Chaudhary has submitted his thesis. 70. We believe that smoking is injurious to health. 71. A bus knocked the boy down. 72. The teacher noticed the students to complete their assignments. 73. The management has closed the classes. 74. The education minister opened the book fair. 75. The mason is building the boundary wall. 76. Who taught you grammar? 77. Your habits make you slave. 78. Don't insult the helpless. 79. The jury found the prisoner guilty. 80. They have sent the telegram. 81. Who broke this chair? 82. They appointed him governor. 83. Somebody stole my book yesterday. 84. Your friends drank a whole barrel of whiskey at the party. 85. Someone has broken one of my cups. 86. People speak English all over the world. 87. We have warned them. 88. We switched off the light. 89. Advertise these posts. 90. The facts justified our actions. 91. The flood has swept away many villages. 92. Kalidas wrote Shakuntala. 93. Valmiki wrote the Ramayana. 94. All laughed at her. 95. Cats catch mice. 96. A stone struck me on the road. 97. Mr. Thakur gave him a book. 98. Who did this? 99. We painted the window red. 100. Never deceive a friend. Question 2 completed. Question 3. Change the sentences into active voice. Number 1. My brother is helped by me. 2. Let it be done. 3. This book was bought here by Mukesh. 4. A letter will be written by him. 5. My book has been stolen. 6. A song is sung by Shweta. 7. The harmonium is played by Azad Cha. 8. The terrorists have been caught by the police. 9. By whom were you taught Russian? 10. All my instructions have been carried out by you. 11. You are wanted outside. 12. The electric wires have been cut by the dacoits. 13. You are known to all. 14. A letter has to be written by him. 15. The files were thrown away. 16. Who was this book written by? 17. Let this letter be read. 18. Everyone was satisfied with him. 19. Will this work be done by him? 20. By whom will you be helped? 21. How was this journey liked by you? 22. This building was built last year. 23. Mangoes are being sold by him. 24. By whom was this poem composed? 25. The enemy has been defeated by our army. 26. I was seen by his sister. 27. She was chosen leader. 28. The steam engine was invented by James Watt. 29. The cat was killed by the dog. 30. Honey is made by bees. 31. The weak should not be insulted. 32. The light has been put out. 33. A reward was given to me by the headmaster. 34. Promises should be kept. 35. The speaker's speech is loudly cheered. 36. Let the order be given. 37. The door is opened by me. 38. Good news is expected. 39. Why should I be suspected by you? 40. He was appointed governor. 41. By whom was this done? 42. What has been done by him? 43. How much wheat is exported every year? 44. Were they abused by her? 45. The poor should be helped. 46. She is known to work hard. 47. A week is made of 7 days. 48. Something should be done by the government for us. 49. It is time for the electric bill to be paid. 50. The answer must be written in ink by you. 51. I was recommended another lawyer. 52. Many a person has been saved from the man-eaters by these hunters. 53. Will those happy days be ever forgotten by me? 54. You are requested to permit him. Question 3 completed. Question 4. Change the sentences into passive voice. 1. The criminal looted the bank. 2. Somebody invited me to dinner. 3. People speak Maithili all over Mithila. 4. Mr. Mishra is sketching the figure. 5. Mr. Prasad is putting the files in his shelf. Page 219. 6. The cobbler has repaired our shoes. 7. The carpenter had bought an axe. 8. The driver may drive the car. 9. He asked me a question. 10. Close the door at once. 11. Love the children. 12. Take your chair, please. 13. Kindly read the Gita. 14. Does computer store the data? 15. Have these students asked these questions? 16. Must you send the check by post? 17. What does he do in the office? 18. Which girl abused him? 19. How do you solve this sum? 20. They have nothing to gain. 21. There is no time to lose. 22. Respect your teacher. 23. Do this work. 24. Please enter by this gate. 25. Pay the room rent. 26. Don't cheat the honest. 27. Honor the patriot. 28. It is time to accept the challenge. 29. He likes people to call him Netaji. 30. There is nothing to do. 31. I ordered the servant to go out from the office. 32. Let us work together. 33. The teacher asked the students to come in time. 34. Let him inform the police station. 35. The director offered me a chair. 36. They did not elect him captain. 37. I objected to her proposal. 38. Mothers bring up children. 39. He allowed me to come in. 40. The police have locked the robber up. 41. The news pleased him. 42. The people claim that the poor are exploited. 43. We know that he has done this work. 44. We feel that he does nothing. 45. Have they to buy a car? 46. Who will not do this? 47. The class teacher appointed him monitor. 48. The boys caught the bird and killed it. 49. I wrote the letter and posted it. 50. Some children did not attend the class. 51. I did not trust anybody. 52. Did he remember the date and time? 53. The boys were digging a hole in the ground. 54. We must now deal with these problems. 55. The audience loudly cheered the leader's speech. 56. Someone is following us. 57. He hasn't slept in his bed. 58. Must we cut this tree? 59. Didn't they tell you to be here by 6 o'clock? 60. Don't touch this switch. 61. One cannot gather grapes from thistles. 62. They will have completed the work by the time we get there. 63. You will have to pull down this skyscraper as you have not complied with the town planning regulations. 64. He has written a poem which fascinates everyone. 65. Open the door. Question 4 completed. Question 5. Find out the error part of these sentences. Number 1. The inspector arrested the robber and sent him to prison. Answer. Send की जगह sent का प्रयोग होगा. The inspector arrested the robber and sent him to prison. 2. It believed that Jhingur Babu was very rich in the village. Answer. It believed की जगह it was believed का प्रयोग होगा. It was believed that Jhingur Babu was very rich in the village. 3. We were pleased by the news which we had received a day before. Answer. by की जगह with का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि pleased के बाद with का प्रयोग होता है. We were pleased with the news which we had received a day before. 4. My mother suggested me that I should write to her at least 2 letters every month. Answer. Suggested के बाद to का प्रयोग होगा. My mother suggested to me that I should write to her at least 2 letters every month. 5. Whom was Jai Prakash Narayan called Lok Nayak? Answer. Whom के पहले by का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि sentences passive voice में है. By whom was Jai Prakash Narayan called Lok Nayak? 6. He was extremely annoyed by his wife's unreasonable activity. Answer. Annoyed के बाद at का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि annoyed with some person तथा annoyed at something का प्रयोग होता है. He was extremely annoyed at his wife's unreasonable activity. 7. Binay said that the famous professor had been run over by a truck. Given sentence correct है. 8. By whom was the teacher helped when he seriously wounded by a criminal? ही के बाद was का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि सेंटेंस पैसिव वॉइस में है. By whom was the teacher helped when he was seriously wounded by a criminal? 9. The robbers were broken into the house and took away many precious things. वर broken की जगह सिर्फ broke का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में है. The robbers broke into the house and took away many precious things. 10. The benches have been arranged for the newly registered students, but they have not been sat. Answer. Sat के बाद on का प्रयोग होगा. The benches have been arranged for the newly registered students, but they have not been sat on. 11. Whom was the interesting novel Godan written? Whom के पहले by का प्रयोग होगा. By whom was the interesting novel Godan written? 12. My new book will be published next month. Answer. Given sentence correct है. 13. He is very much interested by the plays of Shakespeare. Answer. Interested by की जगह interested in का प्रयोग होगा. He is very much interested in the plays of Shakespeare. 14. The work on the project could not take up as the government did not provide fund. Answer. Could not take up की जगह could not be taken up का प्रयोग होगा. The work on the project could not be taken up as the government did not provide fund. 15. Gandhiji will always remember for what he did for the country. Answer. Will always remember की जगह will always be remembered का प्रयोग होगा. Gandhiji will always be remembered for what he did for the country. 16. The storm was so furious that the roofs of many houses were blew off. Answer. Were blew off की जगह were blown off का प्रयोग होगा. The storm was so furious that the roofs of many houses were blown off. 17. Phulo refused to admit that he had charge sheeted by the police. Had charge sheeted की जगह had been charge sheeted का प्रयोग होगा. Phulo refused to admit that he had been charge sheeted by the police. 18. Your behavior is so rude that everybody disgusted with you. Answer. Everybody disgusted की जगह everybody is disgusted का प्रयोग होगा. Your behavior is so rude that everybody is disgusted with you. 19. He will have arrested before he commits another murder. Answer. Will have arrested की जगह will have been arrested का प्रयोग होगा. He will have been arrested before he commits another murder. 20. Unless the syllabus has completed, no examination should be taken. Has completed की जगह has been completed का प्रयोग होगा. Unless the syllabus has been completed, no examination should be taken. 21. The demands of the employees are being examined before a final decision is taken by the proprietor. Answer. Are being examined की जगह are being examined का प्रयोग होगा. The demands of the employees are being examined before a final decision is taken by the proprietor. 22. The burglars broke into the house and took away some cash and many precious things. Answer. Given sentence correct है. 23. 20 persons killed and a child was badly injured in the bus accident which took place last night. Answer. 20 persons killed की जगह 20 persons were killed का प्रयोग होगा. 20 persons were killed and a child was badly injured in the bus accident which took place last night. 24. Looking into the situation that prevailed a few years ago, he was taken that decision. Answer. He was taken की जगह he took का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. Looking into the situation that prevailed a few years ago, he took that decision. 25. Had the police not reached here on time, he would have killed by the criminals. He would have killed की जगह he would have been killed का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. Had the police not reached here on time, he would have been killed by the criminals. 26. You have lent this book by a friend of yours. Answer. You have lent की जगह you have been lent का प्रयोग होगा. You have been lent this book by a friend of yours. 27. Mr. Mohan Mishra had to be operated on to cure him of his disease. To be operate की जगह to be operated का प्रयोग होगा. Mr. Mohan Mishra had to be operated on to cure him of his disease. 28. Everyone's aged parents will be properly looking after. Answer. Looking after की जगह looked after का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. Everyone's aged parents will be properly looked after. 29. As she had put on strange clothes, she was stared by. Answer. Stared by की जगह stared at का प्रयोग होगा. Stared के बाद at preposition का प्रयोग passive sentence में होता है न कि by का. As she had put on strange clothes, she was stared at. 30. The accused were tried and sentenced to a rigorous imprisonment. 30. Sentence की जगह sentenced का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. The accused were tried and sentenced to a rigorous punishment. 31. The university is going to hold our examination in the first week of June. Answer. टू बी होल्ड की जगह टू होल्ड का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि गिवन सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस में है. द यूनिवर्सिटी इज गोइंग टू होल्ड आवर एग्जामिनेशन इन द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून. 32. The police have been arrested all the criminals in this murder case. Answer. Have been arrested की जगह have arrested का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. The police have arrested all the criminals in this murder case. 33. The improvement of the economic condition of the poor must worked for. Answer. Must worked की जगह must be worked का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. The improvement of the economic condition of the poor must be worked for. Page 220. 34. Iraq was illegally invaded by America and England for oil. Given sentence correct है. 35. He had been warned by the danger much earlier. Answer. By की जगह against का प्रयोग होगा. warned के बाद against preposition का प्रयोग होता है. He had been warned against the danger much earlier. 36. When I reminded of the mistake I had made, I was struck with a deep sense of remorse. When I reminded of the mistake की जगह when I was reminded of the mistake का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. When I was reminded of the mistake I had made, I was struck with a deep sense of remorse. 37. The teacher was punished the boys who had not done their homework. Answer. The teacher was punished की जगह the teacher punished का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. The teacher punished the boys who had not done their homework. 38. I was to be told by somebody that there had been an explosion in the town hall. I was to be told की जगह I was told का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. I was told by somebody that there had been an explosion in the town hall. 39. A house is being built by them next door to our school. Is being built की जगह is being built का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. A house is being built by them next door to our school. 40. He overcame with sorrow when he heard the sad news of his failure. He overcame की जगह he was overcome का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. overcome verb का प्रयोग काबू पाना, पार करना, जीतना, विजय प्राप्त करना, win over, conquer, to be victorious के अर्थ में होता है. He was overcome with sorrow when he heard the sad news of his failure. 41. If you had not come in time, the child would have taken away by the dacoits. Answer. The child would have taken away की जगह the child would have been taken away का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. If you had not come in time, the child would have been taken away by the dacoits. 42. The unreasonable behavior of his daughter was thoroughly upset Mr. Gupta. Was thoroughly upset की जगह thoroughly upset का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. The unreasonable behavior of his daughter thoroughly upset Mr. Gupta. 43. Due to unfavorable condition, I was failed to pay my examination fee. I was failed की जगह I failed का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. Due to unfavorable condition, I failed to pay my examination fee. 44. We have to be paid the taxes by the end of March. Have to be paid की जगह have to pay का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. We have to pay the taxes by the end of March. 45. All of us will be laughed at them if we go there in this dress. Given sentence correct है. 46. They were arrested him in a case of fraud but released him later thanks to some political manipulations. Answer. They were arrested him की जगह they arrested him का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. They arrested him in a case of fraud but released him later thanks to some political manipulations. 47. It hoped by the daughters of prime ministers that they would succeed their fathers. It hoped की जगह it is hoped का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. It is hoped by the daughters of prime ministers that they would succeed their fathers. 48. One night some thieves came into my house, a lot of gold and clothes took away. Answer. Took away की जगह were taken away का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. One night some thieves came into my house and a lot of gold and clothes were taken away. 49. Naturally, they are expected you to interest yourself in the job they have offered you. Answer. Are expected की जगह expect का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. Naturally, they expect you to interest yourself in the job they have offered you. 50. Unless they have cleared all the dues, we are not going to be given them any further concession. To be given की जगह to give का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence active voice में है. Unless they have cleared all the dues, we are not going to give them any further concessions. Question 5 completed. Question 6. Correct the sentences. Number 1. They were being repaired the road. Answer. They were repairing the road. 2. Somebody was built the bridge last year. Somebody built the bridge last year. 3. The Taj Mahal was built hundreds of years ago. The Taj Mahal built hundreds of years ago. 4. The old building has pulled down by them. The old building has been pulled down by them. 5. The work will be being completed by him in a fortnight. The work will be completed by him in a fortnight. 6. A very remarkable discovery was made of him. A very remarkable discovery was made by him. 7. Were you appealed by him? Were you appealed to by him? 8. It is time for the shop to close. It is time for the shop to be closed. 9. You are requested to be close the door. You are requested to close the door. 10. Let the doctor be sent for. Let the doctor be sent for. 11. Why is he being beaten by you? Why is he being beaten by the boys? 12. The beggar was laughed by the boys. The beggar was laughed at by the boys. 13. Drinking has been ruined many. Drinking has ruined many. 14. People are believed that he is an honest man. People believe that he is an honest man. 15. This work must finished by Mr. Thakur. This work must be finished by Mr. Thakur. 16. Where was this bag being bought by you? Where was this bag bought by you? 17. This medicine should taken in time. This medicine should be taken in time. 18. Did he helped by Rajiv? Was he helped by Rajiv? 19. Water produces when oxygen and hydrogen are combined. Water is produced when oxygen and hydrogen are combined. 20. Pension will increase for the retiring people. Pension will be increased for the retiring people. 21. He should examine by a doctor. He should be examined by a doctor. 22. He will have been done this work before you leave. He will have done this work before you leave. 23. What should we do in case they are refused our legitimate demands? What should we do in case they refuse our legitimate demands? 24. What questions set by the examiner? What questions were set by the examiner? 25. He was ordered by the judge to hang. He was ordered by the judge to be hanged. Question 6 completed. Question 7. Do as directed. Number 1. Who taught you grammar? change into passive. By whom were you taught grammar? Or by whom was grammar taught to you? Number 2. The audience loudly cheered the mayor's speech. Change the voice. The mayor's speech was loudly cheered. 3. My pocket has been picked. Change into active voice. Someone has picked my pocket. 4. The enemy has defeated our army. Begin our army. Our army has been defeated by the enemy. 5. Shakuntala was written by Kalidas. Begin Kalidas. Kalidas wrote Shakuntala. 6. Give the order. Rewrite the sentence begins with let. Let the order be given. 7. The chief minister reviewed the soldiers in the Gandhi Maidan. Rewrite the sentence using were reviewed. The soldiers were reviewed by the chief minister in the Gandhi Maidan. 8. I offered him a chair. Begin a chair. A chair was offered to him by me. 9. The telegraph wires have been cut. Rewrite the sentence using they. They have cut the telegraph wires. 10. Somebody has put out the light. Change the voice. The light has been put out. 11. The exhibition was opened by the chairman. Rewrite the sentence using the chairman. The chairman opened the exhibition. 12. We admire the brave. Begin the brave. The brave are admired. 13. Who called your names? Begin by whom. By whom were your names called? 14. One must do one's duty. Begin duty. Duty must be done. 15. He was killed by one of his faithful followers. Begin the sentence with one. One of his faithful followers killed him. 16. Her charming appearance fascinated me. Rewrite the sentence using I. I was fascinated by her charming appearance. 17. Honor the brave. Rewrite the sentence using should be. The brave should be honored. 18. Please walk to the left. Begin you are requested to. You are requested to walk to the left. 19. Has somebody shut the windows? Rewrite the sentence using have the windows. Have the windows been shut? 20. They did it well. Begin it was. It was well done within bracket by them. 21. He asked me if I had gone through the book. Begin I was asked. I was asked within bracket by him if I had gone through the book. 22. Never trust that man. Begin that man. That man should never be trusted. 23. Let the window be closed at once. Begin close. Close the window at once. 24. Others should not be laughed at. Begin don't. Don't laugh at others. 25. Empty bottles must not be thrown away. Rewrite the sentence using we without changing its meaning. We must not throw empty bottles away. Question 7 completed. Chapter 12 Voice completed. Page 221. In this page, answers of the questions have been given which have been read with the questions simultaneously. Page 222.